Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to create a view in BigQuery. Okay, so first up, just open up SQL or an SQL query. Right here, type in maybe a simple query like, okay, maybe select current date time as today. All right, just like that. Hit on run. And then, as you can see here, we have now the result. What we're going to do next is just go ahead and save it as a view for us to be able to create a view. Okay, right here at the top, we have save. Just go and click on the drop down. Now here we have save view. Okay, click on it. Now save it to your project. Click on browse if this is not a project. Select the data set within the project, for example, name, like so. Then I'm going to go ahead and create a table or this view name. Okay, for example, current date time view, like so. Hit on save. Wait for it to load. Now, once it loads, as you can see here, under the dataset name, we now have the view and the table. Okay, this calculator icon right here means table, and this one with multiple dots means a view. When you click on it, and then go ahead and click on the three dots, hit on open, maybe new tab, like so. As you can see, here we have the schema. When we go ahead over to details right here and scroll all the way down, we will find our query. Okay, you can go ahead and edit your query from here, like so. That's basically how you do it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.